Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge frosting. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/3 cup of milk. Combine these in a medium saucepan. Gently melt the butter, cocoa, and milk over medium heat, stirring continuously. This initial step ensures a smooth base for your delicious frosting. Now, gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar to your warm mixture, whisking until fully incorporated. Continue to cook this over medium heat, bringing it to a gentle boil. Once boiling, set a timer and continue stirring for precisely 1 minute. This crucial step develops the rich, fudgy texture we are aiming for, so don't rush it. After boiling for 1 minute, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Now, let the frosting cool undisturbed for approximately 10 minutes. This cooling period is essential before the final beating, as it helps the frosting thicken properly. Finally, it's time to beat your frosting. Using an electric mixer, beat the cooled mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it becomes thick and spreadable. You'll notice it transforming into that perfect fudge frosting texture. Now, it's ready to generously spread over your favorite cakes, cupcakes, or brownies. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.